If you're watching this right now, it's because you sense something has shifted. There's something in the air that is changing pace recently, and we have been experiencing a very fast, accelerated pace since last month has started. When spring has started, it really started to take off. The growth that has happened in a matter of weeks has been intense. So your life has been synced with that energy, and so you understand that God is moving you to places right now, and there is all this growth that is happening that is unearthing itself from beneath the surface. So at this point, things are going to start to taper off. It's going to level out, and it's like a car accelerating. It's going to be very intense until it reaches speed, and then it stabilizes and we begin to coast. So that's what's happening now. You might notice that this intensity, this energy that you had that had you really excited, there was a lot of adrenaline, is starting to fizzle out. It's starting to burn out. So I don't want you to feel like you're being held back or that there's so much friction and resistance. It's just that the speed has slowed down to a more manageable pace where you're able to just take your time. You don't have to worry about how fast you're going or how behind you are. You are exactly where you're meant to be. And the pace that you are about to move forward with is going to allow you to enjoy the scenery, to enjoy the process. So that's an invitation to slow yourself down and smell the roses along the way, because the whole point of life is to enjoy it, is to enjoy the process of everything, because it is a constant evolution and it never ends. The learning never ends, your growth never ends, and you're going to see that in the nature around you, that the growth happening everywhere continues to go through cycles, and you too go through those same cycles. And when you learn to align yourself with the proper flow and sync yourself with nature, you truly become one with the divine, and things become much easier. So you need to understand when this energy fluctuates, when it ebbs and it flows, because it gives you an invitation to speed up and be highly productive, and then to slow down when it's needed so that you can recuperate your energy for the next influx. So that's what we're waiting for. But right now, this is about taking action in a way that is consistent, that allows you to really honor every step towards your goals for what it's worth, knowing that it's part of a bigger picture. And that's what's happening all around us as well. There's a lot of chaos that is starting to stabilize, but it came from certain paradigms ending. And now there's this new way of being that's unearthing itself, and it's fresh energy, but it has to let this adolescence phase, this critical phase, grow out so that you can fully blossom into who you're truly becoming in this season. So this year there was a lot of growth because you've done so much in the unseen beneath the surface, and all of that is starting to unearth itself. And you'll notice abundance everywhere around you. You'll feel like you are truly in the place that you're meant to be, but you don't need to force through this resistance, this slower pace. It's all part of just this natural ebb and flow that you need to align yourself with, because you are nature. You are tied to that. And so it's so much easier when you actually honor that pace and look outside of you to see the signs that you need to do, and what pace you need to move at, because it'll give you that indication. It'll show you what you need to do and how fast you need to move. And when you start to notice that God is in everything, He is with you, holding your hand every step of the way, telling you what step to take next and how fast you need to go, if you need to speed up and slow down. So this is what this time is all about. There was a lot of intensity and a lot of growth, and now it's time to just coast and enjoy the ride, okay? So this is what is happening this week, and I sense this is going to pick up again as we move into the summer season and things really start to blossom. So if this resonated with you, let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you're not following me by now, you have to, because I put out new videos almost every day to help you on your journey. And if you want to support this channel, there are some options linked in the description as well as the pinned comments. Otherwise, I'll leave it at that. I love you so much, but remember, God loves you more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.